Okay, my algebra people, here's the other part of our lesson today, was looking at the or scenario, or when things are greater, right? We can see this says that it is greater on the first part. It doesn't matter if it says the first one or the second one, but anytime it says greater, or it has this or right here, we know this is an or scenario. Or if I want to buy that TV and they're going to deliver it before 8 o'clock in the morning or after 1, right? So it would be everything except for the hours between 8 and 1, right? So I'm going to go ahead and solve this as two separate inequalities. And then I go ahead and graph. And the arrows will always go in opposite directions. Less than 1 or greater than 5. Again, let's try this one. We're going to divide off 2 on the first to solve for x, and then we have to divide by 3 on the other one because it's an or situation, and we graph this. The only two numbers we need to have here are 3 and 4, and we know that it's an or, so they will not touch. They will go in opposite directions. Go ahead and try this one, see how you do. It's multi-step. All right, on the first one we are subtracting 3 and dividing by 4, negative 4, my apologies. And the second one, of course, notice that we switched the sign because we divided by a negative coefficient. And on the second one, we subtract by 9. And we divide by this negative 3. We're going to have to flip the sign. And we graph. We put negative 3 and negative 6. And we know that it can be greater than negative 3 or less than or equal to negative 6. Again, never touching. Go ahead and try here. Pause the video and then see how you did. All right, now how do we do it when we're given the inequality already? If I'm given this, then I know that it's going to have a negative 2 and a 5. And then I can have my x value. I know it's or because it goes in the opposite directions. So I just read the scenario. X can be equal to or less than negative 2, or it can be equal to or greater than 5. Go ahead and try this one. Is this what you got? And one more. Alrighty, hopefully you've checked your work and you understand. And don't forget, my office hours are always on Wednesday at lunch in the room 203. We're going to be doing 2-5, which is review for us, multi-step, 20 through 48 even, and then 2-6, which is the or and compound inequalities of 2 through 26 even. Both of these are even only. Alrighty, see you soon.